Okay, so I just made my own chili sauce to go with the wings to the oven, and the chili sauce I made was so damn good. I decided to make a new one so I can show you what I have been doing. So first I will put this chili flake on, so, and we're back. So there's the chili flake. Now some black peppercorn to your own liking, so you can see I put some on there. Then sweet mustard. So yeah, this we can do on the camera. So yeah, this will be the base of this sauce, like that. Yeah, and the other main ingredient is tomato sauce. And then we use a little bit of lime juice, just a splash, and the last one will be cola drink. So you can use Coca-Cola or anything, and just a splash. Then we get a spoon and let's mix. You can use blender or anything. And you can use as much of the chili flake as you want if you don't like too hot, and the peppercorn. It's all just based. You can do it any way you like it. And now you can see it's just runny enough to put on like tacos and on burger, on anything. Yeah, it tastes great. Hit the like button if you like this video. Bye.